This engine here is going to have 4 injectors on top and 4 injectors on bottom.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold.
What's up, what's up? I'm Rebuilder Guy, and in today's episode, we're not rebuilding anything. Instead, we're building this Ford Focus ST. It's already modified, heavily modified, and it's really quick. But the owner wants something even quicker. So he went out and bought this 2.0 Ecoboost engine with a custom cylinder head. See those 4 ports? So he could mount a bigger turbo and have a manifold, which Ford should have done from the get-go. He also has a Ford Focus RS transmission and transfer case that we need to put on because eventually this is going to be all-wheel drive. Let's get to work.
The best guns out there. Okay, we got it. Here we go.
Engine is out, and look what we found here in the back. A big old Borg Warner turbo. The customer wants to go bigger and faster. Who am I to tell him no? So here we were notified that this is a 2.3 stroker motor or stroker kit from Mountoon with that super expensive lightweight crankshaft, which is pretty awesome. But the problem is when you go this big on this direct injected 2.0, you have to add fuel. And the only way to do that is to add injectors. So now this little engine has 8 injectors, 4 up top and 4 on bottom. The fun part is going to be to wire it all up and make it work right. But for now, let's get this transmission on this block and then all these other little accessories, and then hopefully the engine into the car and it runs. Fingers crossed.
All right, update time. Got the turbo on, got the intake manifold off. The turbo looks good. Mechanic Mark over there working on his little makeshift table. Laugh at him in the comments. Freaking genius. The turbo looks good. Oil feed lines, water supply lines and the vacuum lines look good. Good with the progress. Also, the transfer case is put on. So eventually we're gonna have all-wheel drive in this car. I'm not sure if we're gonna be doing the work, but it's there if he needs it. Mark is installing that breather plate. After that, we're gonna put on the intake manifold and wrap it up with the wiring harness. Engine's back in the car, everything's mounted up. I'm happy with the clearances, with the transfer case, looks good. Let me see if I could show you here from the back side. Cleared nice. And also the turbo here, definitely needs to get a new pipe here. We're just kind of fitting up the charge pipe for now. If you could see the turbo there, all came out good. I really wanted to do this in one episode, but looks like I'm gonna have to do two because there was so much work that was done. Mark here did a great job. Comment down below if you want him talking a little bit more on camera. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, commenting, liking, and sharing. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.